got the video. Oh, my number is everywhere now. Huh? I'm everywhere.
Send them in our Facebook, in our Nigerian number.
Because guys, every video I got interesting. I would like you to share this program because I am a Choshiki Shop. This is my first time I've seen this woman. I don't know who she is.
Hi guys, how are you?
I don't follow
Please,
her.
you people should tag people to come join this.
She even told people to tag people to come to the program.
I need your support on this live stream. I want this live stream to go viral, guys.
Okay.
I need. Please, I beg you guys. I beg you guys. I beg you guys.
Okay.
Please.
Listen.
Tag people. Tag people. When I know me say I know they like saga.
Okay.
No matter how, if you like drumming, I know they like saga. I they like to stay on my own, guys. Yes, precious, my face is not looking bright. My face is not looking good because of what is happening on this blue app where people think say na their rights.
Share this video.
Where they say na their life. Things that I didn't get time. Now those people, I come now, make I talk to them. The thing don't reach here. It has reached here, guys. If anybody send me friend request to bring them up, I will do, but not now. I will do it. What did I do to Ako? What did we do to him? All our pages, guys, all our pages, our business pages, this man bring them down. He paid their church members 500K. He paid them 500K to bring down all our pages, our business pages down.
Madam, I don't know you. I have not seen you before. And I'm not here to fight against Manyage. But do you know that the allegation you are laying against Ako required lawsuit attention? Do you have evidence that Ako paid people, his church member, 500,000? My sister, you know why I'm talking to you this way? Because I know the outcome of where you're going. You accused Ako with your full chase that Aku paid people 500,000. Guys, because share on video. I have my reasons. Hey, Chineke. Oh, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Well, I'm not here to insult you. Rather, am I here to discredit what you're doing in terms of your minor aspects. But to him now, Jogi, my sister, do you have any evidence, any physical evidence that will enable you to prove you're innocent when it comes to anything that related to law or relate to law? In what evidence of this accused? Why are you allowing J-Pack and ex-convict Governor Onyoshin and wear belly face? Why are you allowing them to minister bad medication into your life? For you to come out boldly with your face and accuse Ako, report to page. On what ground? Why would Ako pay people 500,000? his church members to bring down your pay. And when I couldn't share destroy Ahmad. Now, let me make this clear to each and every one of you. When somebody tagged me this, I hardly call her on some certain time because I'm time OJ, you know. So I don't really disturb him. When I received this message, because I had been busy today, like I said, I started earlier. Man, listen to your video. Because hardly I listen to video at times and with them time for all those things. But I listen to this video. May shift to Twitter. Man, who be this woman? Ma bako. Actually, okay. Come not by this time. Share. Listen to this video. I play half of the video. Masha, do you know this woman? Actually, who is the woman? Nayamonyo. Okay, there's a video that I will download and I will send it to you. I would like you to listen to it, then call me back. Akoshi mmadụ nke ya dị ndụ kona ndụ n'ebe ka nke a mere no waku nke ya ka enwere another person. That what kind of so madam, if you have problem on your page, you start imagining. Do you have evidence? That is my question. Auntie, even evidence that I could reported your page, that I could give people 500,000 to report your page, because this allegation is big. Because as it is now, you have trampled on our business as a liar, as a thief, as somebody named other people oppress on their business. Do you know you're looking for a big trouble? Auntie, one name Madu. Mommy, do you have evidence? Can you bring the evidence to prove to the world that this is exactly what I could did? Or J-Park, we are Beleface and ex-convict. Hojila give revenge for no reason because they are your ambassador. Before Ashi mmadụ na-eche before ye kwuo. Don't allow people to bring you problem in your business because this allegation is beyond forgiveness. I know what I'm saying. I know what I'm telling you. You are a new beginner of this business. So here chori je bito business gana lawsuit and problem. Lawsuit and problem. Hey, my sister, why did you listen to people that are bitter because I don't want to associate with them anymore? Why are you making yourself an available instrument for destruction? Why? 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 Don't you know that what these people are telling you is to cause problem in your life? I hope you have evidence. Because Ako is a name or a big name. You cannot just destroy someone's business and expect to go cost-free. Imagine make we here with sense. I know why I'm telling you this. Because this is a big and a huge allegation. Do you have evidence? Do you have a direct contact or confession where somebody states that Ako contracted him or her to do this work you said, or because of he made previously J-Pack abiabalagashire, ex-convict abiabalagashire, get put to one or two together because your page with a problem, then you start accusing someone. My sister, do you have evidence? Are you going to tell the judge when this case come up that yes, that you then you when it comes to court is a different language, Ghana, so there. You have a lot of evidence. You have a lot of it. Please, can you start posting this evidence? Can you start dishing it out? Because when you come out on social media, you need to prove to people that what you're saying is true with your facts. Please. Make sure that your evidence are authentic. Because those people that are advising you, that are telling you, oh, evidence no. Because let me be honest with you now. Mado hire to bring something down. I cannot tell you that they will only hire them to destroy your page. So how are you going to get evidence? If the only evidence in when a here say, she say, Ijikwa evidence. Ijikwa physical black and white evidence. I know why I'm saying this. Let's continue to listen to you.
What did we do to this man?
Okay.
What did we do to this man?
Okay.
He got people beat us when they markets before you start your own. Okay, what make only you be the person where they produce where go they produce bitters? It's not possible.
Madam, the way you are saying this, it seems like you have grudges against Ako, or somebody told you something that you have been harboring in your mind against Ako. Because this is not a way to address issue. If Ako wrong you or you have evidence, all you could have gone is to reach out to Ako and send Ako those evidence. She even said that Ebukobi is the one behind Zion Bitter. And this case is not ending anytime. You know why I'm telling you this? I know you are not the one saying all this. J Park and the ex-convicts are your biggest downfall. Go and mark my works. I know that everything you're saying is about hearsay, but both two of them will not be there to testify. I'm talking to you as sister to a sister. Because I'm where you're going. That I want you to have peace and sell your market. There are a lot of bitters. Why would I go fight your own? If I may ask you. Why would I go particularly target your own? If there is a lot of bitters that are doing better before Ako came in. Kegi is not even doing better than Ako own. I will play voice notes where you guys are showing your grievances, why things are not working. Why do you think Ako is after your business? Just because of J Park and the ex-convicts, two of them have vowed to make sure that anything they will do to fight Zolo bitters, and they think you are the easy tools to use. My sister will not find it funny with you. As I'm talking to you, things are beginning to get serious. I hope you want a concrete evidence to defend all this your lies. Because as it is in Igbo business, you have destroyed him. How many billions he damaged? As I'm talking to you, do you know that in how many billions you just ridiculed? Because of this thing, Ikuru. That he went evidence. Hi. Why do you allow these riffraffs to use you? In our now standing problem, not between ex-convicts, where Beleface and Ako. They know they cannot fight Ako straight. And now they want to use you as a tool to fight Ako. My sister, this is your biggest mistake of all time.
I need this live stream, guys. Like drumming, I need a live saga. I would like to stay on my own, guys.
Why? Why did you allow
Yes, precious, my face is not looking bright. My face is not looking good because of what is happening on this blue app where people think say na their rights. Waiting say na their life.
My sister.
Things that I didn't get time. Now those people, I come now. Make I talk to them. The thing don't reach here. It has reached here, guys.
You made a mistake. Makachi. made a big mistake.
If anybody send me friend request to bring them up, I will do, but not
and
now.
the gonna be people are not asking
it.
concrete facts.
What did I do to Aku?
Could you imagine?
What did we do to him?
Hey.
On our pages, guys, on our pages, our business pages, this man bring them down. He paid their church members 500K. He paid them 500K to bring down all our pages, our business pages down. What did we do to this man? What did we do to this man?
Who advised you?
He get people beat us when they market.
Who advised? And
before you start your
and you
own.
think your own is a threat? How?
Okay, what make only you be the person where they produce where go they produce?
Okay, auntie, I'm addressing you as I'm trying to be more reasonable here. Auntie, we know this information on being with this evidence. All you could have done is to reach out to Ako. Get away conversation with Ako. Record Oya. With evidence where the conversation you made with Ako. Shia, this is the evidence. Why are you reporting us? Can I make competition? That only want to come and use you. Oh, my MG hate a video and they record.
Yes, I'm begging you. If you like, draw me. I know the likes on this blue app where people think say now they are right. Where things say now they are life. Things say I didn't get time. Now those people, I come now. Make I talk to them. The thing don't reach here. It has reached here, guys. If anybody send me friend request to bring them up, I will do, but not now. I will do it. What did I do to Ako? What did we do to him? On our pages. On our pages, guys. On our pages. Our business pages. This man bring them down. He paid their church members 500K.
Could you imagine?
He paid them 500K to bring down all our pages. Our business pages down. What did we do to this man?
May God have mercy on you.
What did we do to this man? He gets people beat us when they market before you start your own.
And you think your own is the target. Why?
Okay, what make only you be the person where they produce where go they produce beaters? It's not possible.
No.
It's not possible, guys.
Oh, God have mercy.
We open the first one. You bring it down. We open the second one. The same thing.
Could you imagine?
What did we do to you? Please leave us alone, accusation. Please leave us alone.
Oh.
Accusation, please leave us alone. May we do our business. Alomo dey there.
No be just damage Ahmad.
John Gaddafi dey there.
You see how people they damage people's name
before you.
So J Park and Governor Onyoshi, this is our work.
Action Bika is there before you.
We will see how this one will end too.
Origin is there before you. The general is there before you. Odogo Bika is there before you. Who come report your pay? Nobody. You will start yesterday. You will start yesterday. Because then you start. You don't want other people to start a business. Why?
Wow.
Why? And this is an Igbo brother. You pay a group of people. People will get group 500K. Making you bring our page down. For what reason? What did we do to you? We have started to report our page.
Could you imagine? Could you?
What did we do to you?
Now, wow.
Okay, you want me to come and beg food from you? We don't know since we open this business. This Kolele Peter, will they ever see me say advertise it? No. I just lie low. I don't want anybody to know that that I have anything to do with Kolele Peter. That my husband, but my husband is pushing. He's had money.
Oh,
he invests in that business.
My sister, they really used you.
He's had money. He invests in that business.
So you lost your page.
Why are you doing that?
Your mind is
why are you paying people?
Now wow.
Nothing. I carry plates. Call your doorstep.
Now wow.
So to the bank.
Oh, wow. May God have mercy upon us now.
Like that was to the bag.
Well,
food. Now that time, you go to come there happy. I just say you dey go church. I just say you dey go church. Now say you go pay all Zion people group. Then they say, better go they put this page, better bring that down. For what reason? Why are you following? And me too, I'm a Zion member. I'm a Zion member for crying out loud.
May God have mercy on you.
So why are you doing all this thing? Come to my shop, you will see all Zion products. We are selling it there.
May God have mercy on you.
They don't even pay us.
They didn't even pay me. They didn't even give me anything. I go sell and finish. Give them. See, I don't be saying a lie. They lie. I'm a Zion member. I'm a Zionite. Look at it here. What is your problem? I could say, what is your problem? Why are you doing all these things you are doing?
So how did that bargain no get?
Because of say you get money, when no be you. Which money? You want make I open your nyash? Which money you get? You don't get shit, but I could say you don't get shit, but man, you don't say no, you don't get shit, man. Now Zion ministry under you.
Akwena me that this thing no wo ashire akoro. Akwena no na this thing no ashire. Ihe awu did that only aji evidence. Ihe awu when you listen to this video, ihe awu ashire akoro. J Park that I know and the Governor Onyoshi ESCOM, this is their job. They are brained behind this thing. But this thing, I know he's going to court, and I'll be bringing you updates. Onugano, here evidence when that day comes, you will hear. But it's quite unfortunate that this my sister now, they will use her and destroy her business. It's quite unfortunate. Akwena ko shikuona. or because you get money, you no background, no can't go away. Yeah, statement J Parker. Statement J Parker and statement Oli Governor Onyoshi. They refuse to acknowledge that I cook. How can somebody get a young who beef? Got put online, she need to be paying share. And when you say again, I could before. This is Asher. They want them to believe that I come with a time. No, I could let you hog out. That means I could be destroying every other bitters now. Why couldn't you be more important that I could like to destroy it? The same akoka or match many people or mahacho ije wala ambassador na koshiha gawa that they should go. No problem. That's all business kahaneme. So how is Akon after your page, auntie? Madam, one name madu. How? I'm happy that you get evidence to back everything you're saying now too. Evidence how kwa no nya baraki. Evidence how kwa no nya apuro. Let's listen to you.
Umbrella, and I need to cover you.
Okay.
Come outside, be a man. Okay. Make you know whether you go fit face us. No, they hide under Ebukobi. Stop hiding under Ebukobi.
Okay. Oh.
Stop hiding under Ebukobi. Stand as a man. Make we know whether you fit produce that drink when you they sell. That's not bitter. If not,
Madam, I don't know one okay, but I don't know one. I don't know here me under Ashiri Abara. Auntie, have you seen it? Even onye when a low IQ don't need to. Onya anything he made onya his plan. Before ya matter that this is it. Akono where Belle face J Park and the ex-convict governor in ocean. Iha warno. I better be and the gay believe where. Because you're not well learned. Because when you're large in school and I behave like the way you're behaving. You could have reached out to Akon. Find out. Madam, you made the biggest mistake of your life. Go and mark my words. Akon will not respond to you, but you will hear you gonna know from him very soon. Make sure you, because Ibola na eboni lost son, eburuya. Ndechega downfall Akon. All the members of people that are looking for Akon downfall. Because they know as soon as they use you, come out and make a video. As soon as you make a video, we will cut it and it will go viral. And that's exactly what happened. Gave me a video, hey Buria, as a point to ridicule Akon. One day, this journey will not be easy. It will not be easy. Go and mark my works. Go and I hope the evidence you igitene the person aka ebona ebu to pay jigi. Did evidence eba kukuria 500,000. Yeah, jigi, this is the money I was paid or akromu. I hope this is the evidence you are holding. Tomorrow. Ma Ashi. Anyway.
Ebukobi. If not Ebukobi, because I tell you not Ebukobi, you cannot open that bit as you open.
Oh, so now he has gotten to Yahweh Ebukobi Ogari Mepe business. It has gotten to a threat attack. I thought you came out to explain to people that I could reported your page. Now, Ibana ne kono. Ibana ni show your anger. Ibana ashiri akola ga akola. No way Ebukobi with the thing. No way Ebukobi me pere yako. Ha, auntie, to not allow Nda, akwenwe time oge. Trust me, he does not. Ako mmanya ya she from eligwe bia. Mmanya ya is like no other. Gina ya mega whole competition. I had the money where. Why are you doing this? Why are you allowing these people to use you? I thought you should have known better. So ha bela ko chana ga ashere. No way bukobi jikora mepe mmanya. No way bukobi no wete ako no hide under and ihe ani koka wa ashere eji mananda. It wanna be destroy ya billions of contract akumwere because of the ashere. Auntie, I hope you're ready. I hope you're ready to dance through get a dance because all game man. Thank God no Nujiego and you guys can be able to pay. Because he just to destroy your zero bitters to zero. OMG download Orea video. Send wait. I download Rumia. Because I got my way beyond John a menu. Ako is a friend, a brother. The buyer. I download Rumia send the alarm pempe. I'm not to make sure that I'm with here. Because Ashe, you cannot destroy what you did not build. Ebe decide people use ugi because of gene na kwachosi hunha na sekulia. That has become a problem. J Park na governor on OMG place or video so people will understand where I'm coming from. That this thing is not ordinary. That these people are still bittered because of Ako. And where Ako may go, auntie? Ako, why would Ako go after your page, if I may ask? Onanige will bitters, you know. Thank God you studied. You are not the only bitters. And the bitters who no not complain, no not they. Before I proceed, I would like to play a voice record. Ebe unna complain. Ebe ndei hoyerana. I want to guys please listen. Hey, why?
I want to try parking motor at the Emperor Hotel. The company should do better. They should do better. I had a MIFA and I MSI today, no end there today. They are treating us as an Abro Mado. He Abro first place rule of ambassadorship. They are treating us as an Abro Mado. Well, that should tell the company the Emperor. Kind of when I give it that down. They try to support me. Who would have a celebrity like me to be Jason? Jason. Bikono. They should do better. I look where Barabara. Makamota is Webba, this now, that Emperor. Kala look where Barabara. Who to Echi? Come at the Fogo. Ekeremuno. Oh, we Vikali. Oh, we Vikali. Because I'm more but driver at you, Luaka. I put us a little talk on a bassa, Choabo, the VC. Or Bowo Yamar, go to VC and Chia. Super Louis Venetia, Super Louis Vagodi Kiefer. Super Louis Vagodi Kiefer.
Because I have people record no person play. Hold on. Here, a place. Hagaga lodgia. You're about the company. It may have abandoned happen her dear. The company may have abandoned happen her dear. The man and now this particular woman and now make a man accuse. Diana Aba, na kemgbe ya shibunye ha mmanya na herebe mmanya. That nothing is moving. Ama udi ihe ha mega. J Park na ex-convict ebido kuwe. Na ha mana ihe awa akụ na enweghị ebe ọ na-etinye aka na ọwa akụ mega all these things. Before even I am surprised that this woman will come out. Because we have already known what is happening. But I am surprised that this woman will still sit up with her straight face. Naji evidence. Oh my goodness. My sister, I don't know who advised you, but yeah, your biggest mistake. Makachi. Whoever advised you.
Now so you go pay all Zion people group. Then they say, when they go they put this page, when they bring that down. For what reason? Why are you following? And me too, I'm a Zion member. And they cover you. Come outside, be a man. Make you know whether you go feel face us. Okay. No, they hide under Ebukobi. Stop hiding under Ebukobi. Stop hiding under Ebukobi. Stand as a man. Make we know whether you feel produce that drink when you they sell. That's not bitter. If not Ebukobi. If not Ebukobi, I dare you not Ebukobi, you cannot open that bitters you open. Ebukobi they fund you.
In a name. Madam. Is evidence a baby Kobe na mark fund? Hey, Chineke. Oh, one yama he obo banana nke ya. Hey, Chineke. Antonio sender again. Who sent you? Oh. Oh, Chineke. Kwa kanje madu di jacket inyo we hana nsogbu.
I don't want to talk. I know many things that I can talk on this for this blue app. I have everything. I have every evidence in my hand. I'm Zion.
Okay.
But I don't want to talk.
No, you get what
I want to stay on my own.
Auntie, you will bring all the evidence. Because you will bring evidence. Trust me. You get what evidence. And when I share ex-convicts, Governor Nyoshi and the wear belly face, na Ebony lost son, all of them that gathered you and start lying. Prepare your evidence. And big man is all ochiche. I never knew that people were like that. My dear, when God gezero because give me business that worth millions and millions of naira. You will not like to dab into this kind of a thing. But he may allow wunda pariabua a yuzuogi. All these things you're saying, can you back it up? Need evidence against Wako. Nebuko be just sponsor guy. Nebuko be just fund guy. No problem.
Oh. Why are you spoiling our business?
No. Wow.
Why are you spoiling our business for crying out loud?
You need to make social media damage you. The power where?
It's high time you stop all this nonsense.
Okay.
All our business page. We know how we struggle to beat all these things. And you did this to us. You have done. You did the first one and we didn't say anything. You did the second one. What's the problem?
Okay.
You will surely pray for this one you do. This last one you did today. You will surely pray for it.
Look, it's a threat. Very big threat. Very big threat.
Why?
Wow.
If I come to your house to feed me, will you pay my bill? Can you pay my bill? You will not.
So let us
hustle. By yourself, accusation. I beg you in the name of God. I know people are going to report you to in Zion ministry.
You know?
I know them.
You know?
You better stay off. You better back off from us.
You know? You know?
You be church person. You claim say you go church. Why are you opening? Why are you selling bitters?
Una hona the maintain aputara na. Una hona the main jealousy is not coming out. Hey, Chinego. Bia madam. When mbaku gwara gị na ya wu born again. Chere? So ndani na na chapita say Chineke God of God. Antibody can defend it. You could have been professional about this video. So when you allow a high IQ, listen here, he will not suspect anything. Edge in my life for this, madam, in what evidence make up me. The only evidence in when they wash bara. Page game way forth. I may accuse gay bruya. Because as Paul your mind that Aku is after you. Then page galalu. Gabomako because he went and they akona with a previous problem. How be she go kwa Akushi remain because no nyonya jiane menka. Gina kone we problem akuja be after your page. Iya we sample enye o. Akuji kwa me page onya. Akemepo onya. Onya wanya je pota hiyo. Page ye we say problem ya wako. No wako. You see how people get themselves in a big mess. Now, your main reason, your main purpose of doing this video just came out. Ejuwala akuma, onye church on eme bitters. Ndani ine were bitters. Are they not Christians? And well, some of them be Christians. Have you ever sit down and the main problem I put on Iwegi with that I could not supposed to earn bitters. Ejibo shadow minded. Hey, Chideke na mena no me bero. Akolekwa iji Ishi buru. Obu ina make ashi. Onye kpara nko ahu shimgbere biara ya oru. When you start mingling around with Ndi Igbo, atamu J Park na ex-convict. He will be onye nyemije na million, nyemije 500,000 na enyezi ya. He will be angry now. He will be angry. But it's quite unfortunate that this woman will carry the burden. Those people question Iburu. Let's continue. Okay.
Why are you selling it? Why are you producing it?
Okay, no.
I just said that church, you go church, you are born again.
But madam, you just said you are also a Zion member. Are you not the one that said you are also a Zion member? Why are you producing the same manya banana? You are a member as Ako. Aku is not the owner of these people, they make me they laugh. You stated in your video that you are also issuing picture Ebukobi Iji. You showed Ebukobi picture Iji now that you are also a Zion member. That in a Zion without even nothing. The same way you would remember Kakuji would remember. The same way you own a drink, Kakuji own a drink because why are you telling Aku why OJ produce that drink? And when Mbako when I get show with the owner of Ebukobi Church. I just don't understand where all this jealousy and envy is coming from. See how you just contradicted yourself. Digging up background, you a Zion member. And you state it in this video. And you state it here clearly. And now you are questioning the same person who was the same member. Why would you pay alcohol? Because I know I will not spare this matter. You just will business. It just will scatter because the whole thing is everywhere. And I was reading comments how people believed what you just said. Madam, this thing is quite appalling. I never believed that people with idea to create a business will not see nkewe joku na nkewe ashi. Why are you listening to gossip? Watch and see upcoming days and months. You will not like the outcome. I could not respond to you, but you will hear from him. Trust me. He just will damage your business man for no reason. He just will a business man 1 hour. I could tell you how much he lost because of this your video. But just cool her down.
Producing it. Why can't you step back? Why? I don't know what we did to you.
Well,
anybody that want to come up, just tell me you want to come up. Let me try if I can bring some people up here to join. No.
I couldn't ever my J Park on there. You know, sound dear. I will get this is a groundwork. You come shift to a smoke, you get. Pay attention, nigga. Home be dear my J Park on there. Here we hear game. Who are the people behind? As you're listening to this video, come now listen here with you guys. Here we have a deputy woman to come and destroy Zolobitas. My J Park, motion take about my J Park on the pay attention. Let me shift it small. Gent.
Anybody that want to come up, just tell me you want to come up. Let me try if I can bring some people up here to join. No.
J Park on there. Have you seen that they are standby waiting for this woman to make this video? That the evidence one ya we have J Park na ex-convict Koroya. Mark my words. If this woman with evidence of this accusation, Omenala, may I never see tomorrow. Here, this J Pipe and the ex-convict baby will all be one ya scatter ya na no after business ya. Na page yanda we got what they call J Park and guy how because how with a problem with Ako. They will do anything possible to destroy Ako business. How many this woman will no come in this? If she says something, people will believe it. Now they now push to her. Give me a video. Give me a share. Other bloggers say buria. This is exactly what happened. Go and mark my word. If this woman when evidence carrying her, may I never live to be on this blow up. And the people have started to believe these lies. The only 2 persons sitting up behind this thing, problem J Pipe and Governor Onyoshi, because of problem with Ako. But to this family, they were too naive to understand the handwriting on the wall. They allowed J Park to use them. I hope your evidence is sufficient enough to withstand what is about to hit you. I hope. Kowona korogi. When one guy, non-Angana Senegal, our kotara page ya. When one guy, barriak, akadiga them mad, ye destroy your page ya. Akunyanya 500,000 and buy. Oh, honey, they love progress. They put 1 or 2 together, and you come online to defame someone else's business. My sister, why? Why is the Zolobitas want to destroy you? Zolobitas say destroy, but other bitas say urukegi. Why? Because of getting 2 persons say batrani make actually destroy what you and your husband have worked so hard for. Chai. My sister, why did you allow yourself to be used? Why? Ha bilaba kunyo chana ge mkpuru ojo n'ime. To chana ga shima lo vacha your brain. Lekpa onye o mere onya. Lekpa onye ge buru that and you kuziri ya mana that ihe awu a grudge si bu ebi ha won't about anything. May God judge everybody. But anyway, when a bigger judge, you better before God that judge you. Okay. Get on. Can I get another video? Madam can play self. Let's.
You waste 30 years today. Because
okay, play that this one. Open. Okay. Hold on.
I have everything. I have every evidence with my hand. I'm Zion.
Okay.
But I don't want to talk.
No, you go talk.
I want to stay on my own.
You go talk, oh. My sister.
Why are you spoiling our business?
You get where put yo. You get where put yo. You get where put evidence aho.
Why are you spoiling our business for crying out loud? It's high time you stop all this nonsense.
You have to bring it out.
On our business page, we know how we struggle to beat all these things. And you did this to
me. This one, come gananka.
It's not possible, guys.
Okay.
Food from you?
Hold on. Why the video? Hold on, come play it from me. I don't know why it's repeating like that.
What did I do to Aku? Don't accusation, please. Our business page is down.
Can be there here.
What did we do to this man? What did we do to this man? He get people beat us when they markets.
I'm OJ Park and ex-convict. Mark my works. We have a shiwike. This woman will be forced to open up. Malano today. When things will get tough. The woman, let me tell you, but when this woman put a video there, she will be the same person to come out to state exactly how everything happened. Just that when he hamburger no time. And when you want to marry ya bia me, all the same particular woman will come out and state the reason why Oji remain here. And the ihe mere Oji remain here. And the thing got no naka. When I video I'm ready today, say voya. Make we they go. Omo like a pressure. When the thing be do not pressurize the you will see what will happen. She'll be forced to say what happened. Akwa evidence, she will say it. Relax, Yano. Guys, akwa anya be dokola follow you. We will see to the end of it.
Before you start your own. Okay, what make only you be the person where they produce where they produce bitters? It's not possible. It's not possible, guys. We open the first one. You bring it down. We open the second one. The same thing. What did we do to you? Please leave us alone, accusation. Please leave us alone. Accuser, please leave us alone. May we do our business. Alomo de die. Geography de die. Before you. Action Bitter is there before you. Origin is there before you. The General is there before you. Otogo Bitters is there before you. Who come report your page? Nobody. You will start yesterday. You will start yesterday. Because then you start. You don't want other people to start the business. Why? Why? And this is an Igbo brother. You pay a group of people. People will get group 500K. Making they bring our page down. For what reason? What did we do to you? We are starting to report our page.
Wait, madam. So I report your page. The page will go down for what? Do you know how many people that report people's page on a daily basis? Check what you guys are posting. Check people that does not like what you guys are doing. Facebook is full of hate. Facebook is full of hate. How do you think I could... It's also like a report to Hello Reporter. If Facebook did not find anything contradicted with their policy, they will not talk to you. What are you posting? Who is your admin? Who are the people? Who are your friends' enemies? Why are you pointing finger at the wrong place? Have you checked around you whether people around you are at peace with what you are doing? Why are you after accusation? Yagudash abala gabala. Yagudi na abala gidi ashiri abala. Why can't you reason? Why must I come after you? Gina you with any outstanding problem or no any outstanding case? Why must I come and be targeting your page? I just don't understand. What are you doing that you Emma ono biara Facebook or ono policies, rules and regulations? Who is managing your page? Ekwepalaka ex-convict in a J Park cause for like a big problem. I know why I'm saying this.
What do you do to you? Okay, you want me to come the beg food from you? Imagine. We are not supposed to open this business. This Kolele Peter, will not ever see me say advertise it? No. I just lie low. I don't want anybody to know that that I have anything to do with Kolele Peter. That my husband, but my husband is pushing. He's had money. He invests in that business. He's had money. He invests in that business. Why are you doing that, Akuzayo? Why are you paying people? Nanti, I carry plates. Call your doorstep. Start to the beg.
Wow.
Like that was start to the beg. Food. Now that time, you go to come day happy.
Wow.
I did say you dey go church. I did say you dey go church. Now say you go pay all Zion people group. Then they say, when they go they put this page, when they bring that down. For what reason? Why are you following? And me too, I'm a Zion member.
Yeah, me too.
I'm a Zion member for crying out loud. So why are you doing all this thing?
No,
Come to my shop, you will see all Zion products. We are selling it there.
Wow.
Even
They don't even pay us.
they didn't even pay me. They didn't even give me anything. I go sell and finish. Give them. See, I don't be saying a lie. They lie. I'm a Zion member. I'm a Zionite. Look at it here. What is your problem? I could say, what is your problem? Why are you doing all these things you are doing? Because of saying you get money, will not be you. Which money? You want me to open your nyash? Which money you get? You don't shigban, accusers, you don't get shigban. Man, you don't say no, you don't get shigban. Now, Zion ministry under you, the umbrella, now they cover you. Come outside, be a man. Make you know whether you go fit face us. No, they hide under Ebukobi. Stop hiding under Ebukobi. Stop hiding under Ebukobi. Stand as a man. Make we know whether you fit produce that drink when you they sell. That's not bitter. If not Ebukobi. If not Ebukobi, because I dare you not Ebukobi, you cannot open that bit as you open. Now Ebukobi they fund you.
Okay.
I don't want to talk. I know many things that I can talk on this social for this blue app.
Madam, you go talk.
I have everything. I have every evidence with my hand.
Good, you have.
But evidence. I don't want to talk.
Madam, good.
I like to sell my own.
And I'm like with evidence.
Why are you spoiling our business?
Evidence when it come like this evidence is what I like. Because some people are making vindicate. This evidence is what I like, you got. Your evidence is what I like.
Why are you spoiling our business for crying out loud? It's high time you stop all this nonsense. All our business page. We know how we struggle to beat all these things. And you did this to us. You did the first one. We didn't say anything. You did the second one. What's the problem? You will surely pray for this one you do. Oh. This last one you did today.
So you guys have started threatening Ako that he will surely pay. Well, I will still reach out to him this morning. I will still call him this morning. You get pay. You will surely pay.
You will surely pay for it.
Okay. Okay. Digging up background now where that I surely pay. Okay.
Why?
Okay.
If I come to your house to feed me, will you pay my bill? Can you pay my bill? You will not.
Okay, madam.
So leave us, let us hustle.
No problem.
But ourselves, accusation, I beg you in the name of God.
As far as you get evidence.
I know people are going to report you to in Zion ministry.
I don't need to report.
I know them.
You have done it. You have done everything. No?
You better stay off. You better back off. From us.
No need of reporting. No. You have done whatever you want to do.
You be church person. You claim saying they go church. Why are you opening? Why are you selling bitters?
How about the same
banana? Why are you selling it? Why are you producing it?
Madam, you're not making sense. Please. You came to report to the world that I can report to the page again. You're a Zion member. You are also selling the same bitter. So why are you selling it? If I may ask you. You say you go Zion. Name one nigga reporter akut. You're a Zion member. The same way you remember, you remember. Then why are you selling the same bitters? That's what I'm trying to find out as well. Why? Anyway, can you again?
I just said that church member, you go church, you are born again. Why are you producing it? Why can't you step back?
Hey.
Why? I don't know what we did to you.
Get back and ex-convict when I wear done. Don't you know that yes, so good this woman. When I wear done,
anybody that want to come up, just tell me you want to come up. Let me try if I can bring some people up here.
Now we're done
to join. No.
Oh no, man, I'm gone. Just to bring her down. Okay.
Why are you doing all this thing for us, to us? If you close all our business, what will you benefit? And which I know that you cannot do it. You cannot. You don't fit. do
Now the
it.
man don't exist. Kwamaro. Okay, now Bamara.
No, let this thing where they do.
Nah.
Where you go give you? He pays groups of people, groups, 500K.
Akwiji evidence. Madam, akwiji evidence. Ya wukwali ihe je pipe. Na escon no be abia gbage. Akwiji evidence. Because ima ihe ubulaka evidence speak in a high volume. Akwiji, you have evidence, right? Okay. No problem.
To bring our page down.
Okay.
To bring our business down.
Okay.
Why are you doing that?
Okay.
To bring it down. You can never do it. Okay. It can never work for you.
Wow. Get back.
It can never work for you.
Ex-convict.
Accusers.
Una well done.
You say they go church. You say you are a Christian. If the other people will go Peters, they start to report you. They don't want to make your business enter market, your own business make it enter market. Will you be happy? Will you be happy with them? I'm asking you.
Broad daylight. Name Madi be accused with full chest here. The common no can mother put a may destroy business madu with a full chest here. Madam Yingba Wagi, akwiji evidence. Sorry, my video no stripped off. So because me on back in life. Allegation or who allegation allegation no be more allegation, a very big one. Please, if you come across this video, share it because allegation or who allegation. Allegation or who allegation. My thing also evidence. I'm really happy that OG evidence. Gaputan more auntie, mommy, one name madam, Adan Nele, mama, I'm buggy with one punega mama. Gaputan no. You remember accused with your full chase. Na madu menegegene. I hope evidence is sufficient enough for. No, look at this now. I hope evidence get you okay. Because you don't quick buga here. Makahoni chagbara obosi. Makahoni chagbara obosi. I'm gonna go quick buga. Oh, makahoni chamere again gbara obosi. Let's listen to your accusation against Aku. I hope all the allegation you labeled on Aku that you have the evidence. I beg me baggy wall. I don't have no problem with your business. Chineke menega business a corner, but ejilaka get destroy your business because this J Park, this wear belly face and ex-convict, they are the biggest problem you get when this your movements. Because all this lie they were telling you, and they decide they be made this mischievous video that you did is uncalled for. Trust me. I hope you will not regret it. I hope you will not regret this action you took. Kind of again.
Will you be happy? You will not be happy. You will be bitter. What are church. It can never happen. You know fit. You know fit. Because we don't come your house, come borrow money, open a business. We don't come borrow money from your house. Why will you do that?
But madam, when you next again before, then I can go problem before. Why would I could target you if I may ask you? And when you next again personally before, why would I could target your business to start destroying your business page? Oh, Chineke.
Why will you do that? If I start to open your nyash, accuser, I'm not sure say you go remain small.
Madam, na lie you. I said you lie. If you come with threats, that's when I come out. You lied. Don't you ever threaten Unako. Don't you ever. You can say whatever you want. A threaten Palako. Even I'm encouraging you to start opening the nyash. Actually, keep it, don't open no matter nyash. Don't wait anymore. I can see this is not you were an accumulated anger or something that is bothering you. I don't. Talking about threatening Ako. Don't you ever dare it. It all I show. Danyash, where you go open, you will start to open it all. Ihuna shiriahu J Park na convict barage. That's where bele face ba madam bido koma akụkọ ahụ. Achọrọ m shigi bido koma akụkọ ahụ. Achọrọ m shinya shahi na-emepe mepe ya. How can you jump out from nowhere? Let me tell you, if you have any concrete evidence that you can present in the court of law, all you should have done, give evidence. I have evidence. Look at how they did it. He wouldn't have been ranting it. You're welcome, Ari, my brother. That is all you could have done. Ekariji, lepa evidence. But you came in here. Imagine what I mean when I with these threats. This your threat. I was being cool. Now Jokwa gave me with evidence. But that ass, I want you to start opening it. Actually, I'm keeping don't open my ass, yeah. Enough of all this gossip. Abiabaluna shere. Na mami here na de ka batoya wugam na. That asheria call again. Nugagi nobi. That thing agwagagi nugagi nobi you felt that Aku is your problem. Madam, because bidoko what that thing. We want to hear. Akwa office media, everybody go destroy. Everybody go destroy. What is all this? Akomonye we gonna akomwe personal beef. Okay, the wakashikam na biko. Gina akomwe personal beef before. Why are you taking this your statement over the bar? Why are you like this? What is going on? Is there any other thing you have with Ako that you need to let us know? Oh, because J-Pipe and the ex-convict be back to Chuni Ishi. Mbehena korage here. Ejokora ha ke sere na Ako. I know you did not ask, madam, after listening to my video, call both of them and sit them down. Or if you need further explanation, call me. I will explain better. Don't put your... Anyway, keep put the phone or they go too late. I want you to gather all your evidence. But if you want to get open here, madam, you need to start opening it today. And that's your check for tomorrow. That thing is about I could start releasing it.
I want everything, all evidence and facts.
Okay.
But I don't want to talk.
Madam, you must talk. That thing in Meregije pota you get finish here. That thing in Meregije pota you will finish it, or I will start to drag you to bring it out. They set the woman up. They know what they did. Hammer. Help plan another thing. Madam, oh, you want this thing, you're gonna be in this game for a long time. As they have presented you to come and make caricature of yourself, and that will drag you to where you don't expect. That evidence, you will bring it up. You guys cannot destroy Zolobitas and go inside. This thing will linger to many more problems. Anom na gena digi wonye dibia. Anom na digi wonye dibia. Na digi wonye dibia. Ocho present here outside so people will not start being scared to buy the drink because somebody hates it in there. That is exactly what I heard. Na digi wo dibia. So ocho puta. Can them madi happy wo dibia? Can happy to go with the manya? That people get channel when you hear onye dibia tiri ni me the manya. According to na. On a so-called ambassador, this is Ashirio. Every people tell on weki, let us scatter everything. Diga wutibia ka diga wutibia. And when I hear tiki ni me ya, or gotora tini me ya, I want to know. As soon as say na problem you want, madam, I know I could not respond to you, but at least when I beg as but if you not social media, we would dance that through get the dance. If you not this this ex-convict na J Park aku churu kemgbe chi ha chohi izu ike ha choro ijigi out that madam, you don't even understand what is happening yet. Should I come get AC? Okay, cold. Hey, what I go? Kobe. Alright, goodbye. Omega one nege monogen and nage monogen all useless by giving back to a bastard like you. That's your useless mother that gave back to you. Omega boy and all useless by giving back to a hopeless thing like you. Madam, with this thing, I would like you to expose her. Actually, that thing I call again. Evidence I need you naka. Actually, keep back here because they got in a place you may expect. Ndahu deal again. Very soon, you will start calling them. You will start calling them. Because Ashi Jabwa Karialanteranshi. J Park and ex-convict they have not posted the video, but the useless Ebonilo song. Ewele post. Had you know come here? Question no. Everybody knows that they are the two persons. Maybe they are the one tampering your page. They are the one who tampered your page, destroy your page. Because I remember, Mbemuna Obodo less man in the Winsobu, J Park was clamoring on destroying on your Obodo page, destroying on your Obodo page. Out of the get delete on your Obodo page direct. So, if they now set you up and start targeting your page, yeah, wako. Because they want you to come out as a new person. Oku before. People will pick it up. Because they know that everything you're saying are all like just that they want to get attacked by all means. Go and ask J-Pack. Mbemuna obodo let's say no problem. The idea on him to destroy on your obodo page. Go and ask him. Because that's what they do. Man, let me not survive. He was the one giving idea. Egidonyo obodo, agana page here, delete here entirely. Now what they about this able bit where Ishi? Oh, here she that man no I put that J-Pack. I cannot lie on my go nata if I lie against J-Pack. He was giving ideas how to delete I just share log on up. A police are log inside the page. Delete it entirely. Yeah, delete here. I pity you. I hope they are not the one that's messing with your page and still use you to fight somebody on way home again. I hope you will not regret this thing very late. I hope you are not dealing on gossip. May God have mercy on you, Makachi. May God have mercy on you. Let's continue to listen to you.
I know the saga you every anybody. But I just come out for this blue and you don't reach me here. I say make I come beg you. I say make I come beg you. I beg you with God. I beg you with God.
Well,
leave our business alone.
Imagine accusing someone with her bold face. As somebody he gave evidence that is the first thing you should have tendered now this before you start running this program. So people will just say Tofiakwa, hey, but now you just came out because of our children. Well, and when a bigger submit is those evidence. Igabia will YG destroy your billions and millions of business mad with your mouth. And Nigerians don't think there are many laws that are bind in businesses. Next time, you tread with caution. Makachi, Aku will not respond to you. Trust me, he will not. But you will hear from him. The first thing they carry because with bitterness. Why would I open Zolo bitters? Because on like a church. Everything he is out of bitterness. You would have come out with the evidence. Before this is what happened, this did happen, and people will listen to you. But you know that it's all about gossip. You know that it's all about lies. You have no tangible something than God. But my dear, oh, let's listen to you. Whoa.
Zion, I beg you with God, with everything you are serving. I beg you with everything you are serving. Leave our business alone.
No problem. Oh no, problem and now.
You think say, no only you get the power to do that.
Could you imagine?
If we start our own, start to report your own, I don't know what thing will happen. I don't know what will happen. You people, I people.
Wow. I don't know why did do stupid before.
Stay your lane. Make us stay. May we stay our lane. Me and my husband, when they find your trouble.
Why did this kind of
you never ever see nobody.
Wow.
No any group or no any page will come and say we paid the person to report your Zion Zoro beaters. We have never. I don't know the reason why you'll be reporting our business pages.
They listen,
Since 2 weeks ago, I heard about that. Somebody called us and said it. We think that.
Based on our sharing. Since 2 weeks ago, somebody called us. I heard about that. I thought, I don't know where. I want to get one evidence. Go pum na mat. Did you hear it? Bent on Ashirege. Hey! But anyway, with a bigger submit evidence again. And with a big aprumeku. Look at your statement here. 2 weeks ago, man or uno. Can't?
They are joking.
Okay.
We think it's a joke.
Okay.
That person tell me, say, Mama, see you.
Okay.
See what did happen. I did among the people where they pay.
Could you imagine? Could you imagine? Somebody okay? So this is the cheap thing J Pipe and the governor ex-convict game. I remember vividly well. Mbe ex-convict in about one guata war. One guata may add. She people be on a WhatsApp. Ex-convict have to go and configure different numbers. Jinga on our chat people privately. They have to trace to location here. Why are you guys like this? Started chatting people because people were joining that time. Yeah, but the chat one and how scam nobody should pay. Mwagata had to hire a special gene boy. A bit of 3 number, yeah, 3 no lawyer na Patakot. Gonna use that number. This idiot to configure number corporation then in that WhatsApp group. Next send her private message. Stay away from water. Say when you want gata here. Always come. Yeah, make it here. It can't be. Those people will take chat to send her. We have to trace that number. Yeah, match your ex-convict. Mashon got happy. So here another tight is Uluji to start sending this woman who will call her and tell her that I go get it back careful. Hey, is that how low? Yeah, with the bitterness me to this extent. So in a plan I get send somebody boy. Now when I gave me, amen, within these days, amen. Madam, but that's your evidence. You have to tender it. However, only the corner and we have to make sense with our gullible followers. We will try to figure out a ministry hope you walk on. It's only matter of time. Ogeme.
I just say,
I'll show you. My friend, keep quiet and face you. Come on, get negi wakuna. That useless woman, nemonoge wa shawo. As you open mouth to call nega shawo. Negi monoge wa shawo. A shawo nega hu yemaro to know ye. And I go, all my house spam, what do I megi? Why a shia machine? In the Yambarage, I shall have again, Ologene abube olu ebube Chineke nega hu mepre no spam wuronde keke wurende na aga nango from one pack to another no imegi jegba ya shamshia close mouth enri mbarage give laga kwa nega shawo do wari imegi all ma spam ke kpuru nsunge shia na mshia amado ha mabuo ya. Then I'm giving it to her. That a shower in over our spam who kept working. I'm sure my door hakubuya. Good.
Make I tell you. Make I leak the secret give you. What you do this man? What did happen?
Okay.
Thomas, I don't know. I don't be say I don't want. I don't give anybody money. Make it spoil anybody business.
We got those people borrowing in a court. We got those people borrowing. Those people borrowing the akpur. Are you ready to bring them to court? Because I know why I'm saying this. We get tangible evidence, right? Imana, and with a lot of stupid people like this idiot up or Loma. They don't ask you, madam, how did this started? How? When? Do you have evidence? Can you bring them to the Emma? A lot of gullible stupid into Omenala and Tibia. Ishi Habukachahono. They only reason one direction. And then with a lot of touts, Ejemu school. They only reason one part of their brain. I can see people commenting on your platform. Man, people who can people ask questions? That is why they are easily to be deceived every time anything email online. Their state of mind are very easy to be deceived. Why are you guys so stupid? They're asking questions. Using una intellectual reasoning is a problem. Madu Putale made this vulgar allegation against someone. A necessary question. The evidence. This is what I will present in the court. This is what I will present anywhere you call me with her full chase. You want to go? Here, ya potan with Onyeji. Ishi, lekwa evidence simji. Lekwa onye you bring out this person online. Ye kuo ga kwa haya or ga put na camera. Because we don't believe call. Ile kwa na huki. That should have been your first move, mommy. You should have bring that person or give with evidence. Evidence, call me anywhere or give me. It will be more believable than because it's all about gossip. Madam, ijirikwala evidence. Ijirikwala evidence with all honesty. Iya ukwe ha kola. Come happy in the daybreak.
But what I know is that our God will surely fight for us.
Okay.
For accusers.
Wait for now. You understand?
Main market is too big.
Okay.
For example, main market is too big.
This is how I accuse people.
For everybody.
This is how people that accuse people. Wow.
1 minute.
On the paper. Somebody put on a broad day afternoon. Madam.
So, please, I beg you guys to beg him from me to stop reporting our page, stop reporting our business. That's why I just come here. You guys should see the way I'm looking. I'm not happy.
Wow.
I beg you. So it's okay. Please.
People they believe you. Anyway, they believe.
See what I want to ask you guys to do. I will see post it. I want you guys to please go and follow my husband this thing.
I told them I know this side because I want to hear this side.
And now I think about it. I thought about it. Please, you guys should go and follow me on. So, guys, you guys should go and follow me. It's so big that I can content.
Lola the Lola. What can you learn? The mama, eh? Koye masukwa iwe nka.
You are my sister. All people natural can marry. We no one make a chop. Where they no say they no be our God. They are not our gods.
That's true, my dear. That's true. The word is too big. The word is too big that can contain
Look at how a grown-ass woman joined a live program just to believe exactly. No one day Jimwe a lot of stupid people on this blue app. Eh? Jojo. They believe for instantly the word
everybody. I don't know why, especially mom. I don't know if I should say our Igbo people. I don't know why they are like this. You know, I don't know why they are like this.
So, not the level of damage you have made to Ako. You have deceived people on your platform. Well, let me stop playing this your video because I've already sent him the video. I know he will see it. Ya request here again. I will still resend it. It's already saved in my gallery. Mommy, whatever you want me to address you as. The reason why I'm telling you this is that I hope these people who get this and evidence is more accurate. Because everything you state here with my full chase, Ashere. Ya wona ashere. Mpoloku next time, mana no woman. Because I called that. Even when I called that Koshi, I could become one woman I tag him na page. This is my first time of seeing the woman. I don't know who she is. But to somebody tag me, about 5 persons tag me. My shift with the team, man, the woman in the na report to the page here. Report I could because I'm sending the the video. Me send the video. Ya bomb sugar. Ya onye na enwekwana no time. Na kwa muna here na agbari. Onye kpa no who and who. Na yawa. So this is as low as all of you guys can go. Just to prove that uno the bitter. I could not need to sign anybody. Let them continue the promote. I couldn't need it. I couldn't need to sign anybody that anything. Also, I colonize everybody. I couldn't need to sign here. I could never hear about Jamaica. Aku is not competing with anybody. I beg you know. He is not competing with anybody. Big no. He's not competing with anybody. And when and then on Gahu before the 10, when down on Gabi, Aku is not competing with anybody. Happen here, come me here, Koshi, Megi here. Mana de man, you buy anywhere where you won't buy. But Kemacho, this are she, or better to be the matter. Is a lie. Because only like I had them, on I believe to the madashin all the after. Nobody will change Aku and the pattern OJ Megi here. The pattern OJ Mega de like okay. Because all the content that is not the bone of we don't. And when a lot of bitters in my hair, call her again magazo. Please. When I took the man, she don't know the after on a business. Why the person don't have no business to do with one. That is my thing. I'm not who this woman with the brain behind this thing. Oh, J Park and the ex-convict. Brunello Cuomonala. Here with your plan. Oh, this woman and on the brain behind this thing, but so you know what I mean. Where this woman, you know, why would she allow them to use her like this? That is my problem about the woman, you know. And when he was all, and when he other thing, no. Guys, let me get ready. I'm going to work tomorrow. See you guys.